Okay, hello YouTube, how you doing today? Just doing some work for a guy I've been doing a little bit of work for here and there for a long time. We've got a couple of cold starts here. He bought this 2000 Kia Sportage for next to nothing, and he's going to get me to spend a day on that. See if I can get it to run right. It's got a misfire. See how it starts. Neutral. Started good. Definitely a misfire. Bad little misfire on it. There's that one. We got two more to start. So that's what I'm working on today. Now he wants me to spark the Durango, as he says, spark it. This is the iPhone 5, my first video with it. First real amount of snow we've had all year. Okay, it's clean. Leather. A little slippery there. What do we got for kilometers? 122. Low Ks. Been sitting for at least a couple of weeks. ABS light. That's good. Now for the final start. Relock it. Ooh, that's loud. Okay, now this old Chevy truck here. It's on propane, it's been sitting a while. There's my old Cadillac, as I call it. Keys here. I think it's a 92, maybe a 93. Nothing. So we'll have to get back to that one later. I think the battery's hooked up. Just check and see if it is. Yep, that was a real good battery too, so get the charger on that. Anyway, thumbs up, subscribe, first vid, iPhone 5. Check in for more vids on this Kia Sportage.